Hi there, welcome to your weather briefing for November 12th. It is Thursday. We're going to have a fairly cool but quiet weather day for today, out ahead of a fairly significant weather event on Friday and Saturday, bringing us snow, heavy snow in areas of blowing snow, and increased winds for those of us that won't be seeing a whole lot of accumulating snow. And we do have some rain mixing in for some of us in the eastern Magic Valley and the lower Snake Plain for Friday, as we do have some warmer air entering the area for those areas. So let's get into it here. We'll start off looking at our satellite view from this morning. It looks like it's not quite looping, but there we go. Okay, so we don't have a whole lot of moisture over our area right now, but we do see these blues and greens over to our north and west, and that is all the moisture incoming into our area over the weekend. Okay, our weather impact summary grid shows the activity primarily focused on Friday and Saturday with that arrival of our atmospheric river event. We'll just kind of go through the day by day here real quick, starting with today. We do have a chance of snow over in the eastern highland areas. That's primarily the Island Park and Monida Pass area, just a real small chance of some snow showers, and we are noting some areas of fog early this morning. We'll show you that in just a second here, but otherwise we're going to focus on Friday and Saturday with the snow and areas of heavier snow, focusing on the Wood River area, the Sawtooth area, so our Sawtooth Mountains, and then also the South Hills, Southeast Highlands, Eastern Highlands. And for those areas, our snow is expected to continue on into Saturday, adding in the mixture of blowing snow, also continuing the blowing snow trend for the Lost River area, Wood River area, and the Sawtooth. Now for Lemhi County, it looks like we will be seeing snow and blowing snow for Saturday as well, but it looks like our impacts are a little bit less, so we're looking at the minimal category as opposed to the moderate. Looking at Sunday, we do see chances of snow continuing for most of our area, but our impacts are lessened for Sunday, so we have chances of snow for just about everybody here, and snow continuing for generally the eastern portion of Idaho. By Monday, we are just about done with this system here, but a couple lingering snow showers are possible. So real quick, wanted to show you that our satellite is showing some areas of fog in our upper Snake Plain area, so north of Idaho Falls here and along the I-15 corridor near Rexburg and Roberts. And also you see some patchy areas of reduced visibility to the east. So looking at temperatures the next couple of days here, so we're in the, looks like I started with Friday. I'm sorry. I'm going to have to go forward one more click. So here's our high temperatures for today. We're in the 30s and low 30s across the Snake River Plain. You do see a difference for tomorrow's high temperature forecast. Notice we're not in the 30s everywhere. We do still have high temperatures in the 30s for the upper Snake Plain. But notice these warmer temperatures in the eastern Magic Valley and lower Snake Plain. Now we are into the 40s, and that's going to make a difference in our forecast here. So remember that in just a second here. And then we'll go ahead to Saturday. We're back into the mid or lower 30s for our high temperatures for Saturday. So here's the model depiction that you're going to be most interested in, I think, once it starts its loop. Okay, so as this loops through here, we're going to see the arrival of our system on Friday morning, and as it goes through the day, Friday afternoon and evening, and then through Saturday during the day. So you see the arrival of the system through the central Idaho mountains, and then it's going to push quickly eastward. You see mostly blues in this depiction here, but we see this little area of greens once it goes through the loop again here. Notice through Shoshone, Burley, Twin Falls, up through Pocatello, and maybe even through Blackfoot too. We have an area of predominantly forecast rain showers for this particular event Friday into early Saturday. So otherwise, we're looking at a mostly snow shower event as the system goes through, but we do have that area of rain. So there's your model loop. We'll go through it one more time so you have another look. With all that said, we'll give you a look at the forecast rainfall amount for this 2-day total, this event. So we're looking at generally a quarter to maybe half an inch with that area of just rain. Otherwise, a lot of these higher amounts are because we're forecasting snow over in the mountains and the eastern portion of Idaho here. So when we correlate that to snowfall amounts, we're looking at some pretty significant snow, especially in the Sawtooth Mountains, the Wood River area, even over in Island Park, the Teton areas here. It's got 8 to 12 inches in Driggs, got 6 to 8 in Swan Valley, but really over in the central mountain areas here, we're looking at 6+ inches in the valleys and 16 to 20 inches plus on the higher elevations of the mountaintops there. So plenty of snow on the way for them. By Sunday, though, we do still have some lingering snow showers in the area, and we do have some areas of accumulating snow showers, but for the most part, we got less than an inch of accumulation for anybody that does still see some snow. The other thing to talk about is the increasing wind coming in for Friday and continuing into the overnight hours through Saturday. So picking up Friday evening here, we've got 20 to 30 mile-an-hour winds here through the Snake Plain and the southern highland areas. And it picks up pretty good here Friday night, continuing with the 30+ mile-an-hour winds through the Snake Plain and into the overnight hours. And like I say, these winds aren't going to decrease in the overnight like they normally would. So you see these winds still fairly high on Saturday morning. And then during the day on Saturday, we're still seeing these 25 and 30 mile-an-hour winds persisting through the Snake Plain and through eastern Idaho. We start to see the winds decrease across the central mountains here, so we only have 10 to 15 mile-an-hour winds through Stanley and Jallis. Okay, so to sum up our event here, today's pretty cool, but a quiet weather day as far as precip is concerned. But things do start to change tomorrow with the arrival of some increased moisture into our area. So we do have snow and heavy snow forecast for Friday and Saturday, and increasing winds are forecast for Friday evening and continuing through Saturday, which will bring us areas of blowing snow. Rain is forecast to mix into portions of our forecast area, which would include the eastern Magic Valley and the lower Snake River Plain. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always give us a call. You can chat us on social media or send us an email at the address provided here. We thank you for watching, and we will chat with you again tomorrow.